Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Nadula hair. So they sent me their HD lace 5x5 straight 26-inch closure wig, and it is Brazilian hair. This is just the box and packaging it came in, and this is the hair straight out of the box. I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach and pluck this closure wig, just so it matches and blends into my skin nicely. So when it comes to your bleach, you want to make sure it is a thick consistency. It doesn't drop when you lift it up. And then I'm just going to get all the hairs out the way by using my got2b free spray and brushing the hairs away from the lace, just so that none of the hairs catch onto the bleach. Then I'm going to take this tiny brush that I got from a dye kit, and I'm just going to use that to apply the bleach, making sure that I catch the knots. And yeah, it seeps through the lace, but I don't want it to go too far into the lace, because then you could end up over bleaching or bleaching the roots of your hair. You just want to make sure you apply a nice even layer throughout, focusing mainly on the part and the front hairline, just so the knots are lifted. And then yeah, I just let this sit for about 30 minutes and then I wash it out. I like to use blue bleach because it tones as well as, you know, bleaching. So now that I've bleached the hair, I'm going to be straightening and styling the hair. First, I'm going to put on my canvas head that is finito. This canvas head has been used silly, but that's another story for another day. I'm just going to be straightening this unit. I actually didn't apply any product to this hair because I really like the natural state and I really wanted to keep the hair nice and flowy. So I didn't apply any product whatsoever onto this wig. All I did was straighten it and hot comb it. Actually, I lied. I only applied wax stick when I hot combed the hair, but I didn't apply any serum, any oil onto the actual strands of hair. So this is the hair in its full state. So as you can see, I'm just running my straighteners through it, making sure that everything is nice and silky. This hair straightened really well. I had no problems with the hair itself.
Sentimental, you got me attached, which is essential. My guys tell me that I'm so mental. Don't get you how I get you. You different, yeah, you different. Different, just what I'm missing. These days I don't know if they get what I'm thinking. I'm thinking you a high fashion. Give me more action.
And now I'm just going to take my PAPACHICHISTYLE hot comb, and I'm just going to use that to hot comb the hair. You know, a canvas head and a stand is a very good investment. It just saves you the time of doing it on your own head, and you can see the back of your hair, you can catch everything. So I highly recommend getting a canvas head because this has really changed the game for me and my wigs and stuff. So I'm just going to hot comb the hair out of the way just so I can begin my plucking process. And this plucking is kind of sped up, but if you would like a detailed plucking tutorial, I have that already up on my channel, but I just didn't want to skip this step for you guys, so I included it anyway. So I take my tweezers to make a part in, and then I just pluck at it. I just go at it really. Try not to pluck out any holes. Just be very careful. Make sure you're using the slanted part of your tweezers. I personally use the Tweezerman tweezers and I love them, so I don't think I'll change. And I'm just gonna go at it. This closure was quite dense actually. It took me a couple rounds for me to get it to the state that I wanted it to be at. Alright, so bleaching the knots on this hair was absolutely easy. I didn't have to do 2 rounds. I normally do 2 rounds because some vendors give me stubborn knots, but this only took 1 round of bleach and it bleached really, really nicely. And then I've obviously plucked it, and then the actual hair itself is really, really good. In regards to the HD lace, I wish it could be better. It's still quite good, you know, I didn't apply any glue or anything, so it did lay quite nicely, but I wish it was a bit more HD. Like, it's just not there. It's a tad bit there, like I could see the lace still. So that's the only thing I would say. Like, it's not completely HD lace for me. Okay, so this is the side that's not plucked versus the side that's plucked. And now I've plucked both sides and I'm just going to hot comb them. And now I'm just going to apply the wig. Literally, the wig is ready to go. All I did was cut the lace and I put on a band. I sewed down an elastic band and I put my foundation on the lace. And I literally just applied the wig. And you're just going to see that in the next clip. So here's the elastic band that I told you that I applied. And yeah, I wish these wigs came with their own elastic band and not just adjustable straps, because I just prefer elastic bands to adjustable straps. But yeah, I wanted this to be a closure look. I don't want it to be a closure looking like a frontal. I want it to be a closure look, and it's very different for me because I've done a closure in a second. But I really, really like the feel of this hair. It's so silky, it's so soft, and yeah, this was pretty straightforward. This process probably took me like an hour and a half to complete, minus the bleaching time. Yeah, so this is the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and all the details on this hair will be in the description box down below. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.